Wanna learn how to hide your active status on an Instagram? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Daily Tutorials. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I am already logged in. Make sure you are as well. Now, tap on this profile icon on the bottom right corner. Tap on these 3 straight vertical lines on the top right corner. Tap on settings on the top. On the search bar on the top, you can enter here activity status. Tap on it. You can see that this is the activity status where you can allow accounts you follow and anyone you message to see when you're active or were last active on Instagram apps. When this is turned off, you won't be able to see the activity status of other accounts. So since we are trying to turn it off, tap on the sliding bar on the top right corner, and just by doing it, it has just turned from blue to gray. That means you have just turned off your activity status. That is, you have hide your active status. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.